Sweeping brush. Sweeping brush. Right. Hi there, friends and Babylonian soldiers. Babylonian soldiers. Whatever that is, I don't know. But I come out here to do a job. I wanted to clean up. But as everybody knows who's you see me doing it, I throw things. Because I'm like that. Well, I threw something yesterday and I hit the knob off my, I'll show you. 1,000,000 to 1. I hit the knob off the coolant tank. The white one. That one goes to the miller, that one went to the lathe. As you see, my floor is wet, but I got majority. What I'm doing now is working out that, which I've done. Anyway, the job was I wanted to add on to my soft jaws. These are soft jaws, which means you can weld onto them, which I've done several times over the years. I took a bit out of there by accident. See, I've took a step out there, so I'm going to reface them. So some people know you can do this and some people don't know. If you get soft jaws, you can weld to them. Okay, so mine is A, B, B, C, C. A, B, B, C, 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 boo, boo. And that's all there is to it. So it's just a matter of making sure your camera's safe. Is the first thing. And we'll take them out. This stuff, coolant, this is homemade coolant, and I'm telling you now, it's horrible. It's sticky. I was told, but I didn't listen. It's sticky. And it's horrible. Probably once every 40 years, right? Right, that's good. Ow, you bastard. Right there, I got an idea. So you can see it's been done before. See the dark side? The dark side. That's where I've done it before. Years ago. In Bethlehem. Long time ago in Bethlehem. Oh. One for Vince. They are called soft jaws because they're made out of oil, not out of tempered stuff, you know what I mean? I thought now we got the welder running pretty groovy. We'll do this because I wanted to do it for a while now. Right, I can show you this now. Close it up. You see, it's been welded before, right? This bit on there is new. So we got to clean it all up and weld a new bit on. Well, I cut them old damaged bits off and weld new on first. I keep looking over there because there's a miller by there and I'm thinking, will I mill that off or will I just discut it off? And everybody knows me. I will probably I'll just cut it. Right. No good looking at that. I'm not stood there. I'm stood over here. There I am over there. Okay, see that nice clean bench? Nice clean lathe. I'll let that run because it's soothing, isn't it? Can you hear it? It relaxes you. What about this stuff? Oh, come on now. That's bloody perfect. So we want 3 pieces. Don't matter. Don't have to be the same. Because when you put it back in, then you've got to machine it. You've got to machine it so it's all pretty. So I've cleaned this, and now I got a bleeding disc cut again. So stick that in there. We're only going to go halfway through, so don't think I'm having a wobbler. Oh my god! Health and safety. That's something you've never seen me do before, isn't it? Cool. Coolant. Coolants for cooling things. I very rarely do things like that, eh? Right, we still got a bit to cut through, so I'm going to have to stick them in like that now. I'm going to weld that on there. Is that soothing you, listen? Lovely, innit? That's what we ended up with, and we're going to weld that. We're going to weld that onto there. And then reshape the front, put it in the lathe, and make it all prettified. So that's our 3 extensions. Somebody said to me a couple of months ago, why don't you keep a thing of water? That's why, look. Weld that onto there. Nice weld. Nice penetrations. Switch Anton on. Anton. Whatever happens, it's going to be better than what it was, alright? So say what you want about me. Talk about me. I don't care no more. I've had enough. Everybody talks about me. Have you seen that fucking idiot on YouTube? Perhaps that's why people subscribe, because they just think I'm an idiot. In fact, I should buy a new one, because this is absolutely, I think it costs about like £2.50. Have a look down your roll. The smoke is off the coolant. You knew that as well, didn't you? You there, that one there, him over there. Yeah, you knew that, didn't you? I can see by the look on your face. I've got to pump fluid up into the tank, and then it'll come back down and cool this coolant off. Coolant. Are you sorry? Right, that's the 3 done. It's just a simple weldy down your cracky. On it eventually. Right, is that where? Yeah. I didn't know if it was the card or the battery, so it looks like it was the battery. Right, it's just that obviously now you know what we're going to do. We're going to clean them up. Get more water on the floor. Well, you knew it was going to be hot. I did. So, we've run down there. I've cleaned the back off. Now we're going to clean the front, and then you've got to put that pointy bit back on the front, put it in the thing, and we'll let the lathe do the rest. There's no need to go too mad. It's a set of jaws. It's not doing anything else. I just started cutting that point on, I see. That's all you got to do, and then the lathe, put it all back together, and let the lathe do. Let the lathe do all the work. Your job is done. The better you get these corners, obviously, when it shuts, when these all come together, it's got to go like that lot. So they got to meet. You don't do that. You don't want them to collide in the middle. Get in there and let it cool down before we. Which one did you pick up? You picked up that one. You picked up the fucking hot one. So what can you say? Come around here a minute. Come on, coming around here, don't be shy. There's that. See, you only had to ask. Well, the things you got to do, innit? The things you got to do for your lathe. Right, there you go. For people who's never seen this before, congratulations, you are now official. Oh, I didn't know I could do that. Yes, but they gotta be soft jaw, not hard jaw. Right, now we want to see where the worm is. Where's the worm? This thing that goes around there, it's called the worm. So we want to see where it starts. There it was then. So B's going in first. B, C, B. So slap your B down in there. Did I bite it or not? Yes, it did. So then chase your worm around to the next one, which is A. And then there it is there. So then find your A, which you had a choice of two, but you picked up the wrong one. Stick your A in and go around to the next one, which is C. We all knew. And shove your C in. And then wind them in and see what's wrong. There's always a tight part with it. Wind them in. And there you go. Now we're going to face off the fronts. There. 13mm spanner. A 13. Yeah, 13. What's that? No, not 14, 13. You sure it's 13? Yeah, I'm sure it's 13. Make sure it's out of gear. It's out of gear. Quite nice. You could take them off to do it, of course. can't see me doing that, can you? I'm happy with that. Happy, Ruppy. Rob's happy, Rob's happy. Read all about it. We're just going to run past these edges now, the top edges, or the outer edge. Just square them up nice. And you can buy your raffle tickets off Dizzy and we'll be on the way home. Hit, just hitting, just hitting. So there you go, my darlings, all done. And now I can pinch right on the very tip, whereas before, because there was a bit missing, I had to go like 1/4 inch in, so they're back to as it was. And next we're going to make a tool post, because I'm absolutely fed up with this tool post. It's cheap as crap. It bends, it's been welded, which is not a very good weld by the look of it. Bit of a pigeon. So I'm going to completely make it bigger as well. That's my next job. Everything else is okay. We had a tidy up.